Good day to you all. You're back to our daily devotion. And for today, day of Tuesday, we are celebrating 365 daily devotion Bible character edition. For this day, the topic that we're going to talk about is still the final week of Jesus. And the specific topic, Jesus cleansed the temple. So, in the time of Jesus in his time, the people already accepted him to be as their king. But there is one act of Jesus that made the Israelites, his people, to turn their back on him, and that is his cleansing of the temple. So, verse we're going to use to reference came from the book of Matthew, chapter 21, verses 12 to 17. And Jesus entered the temple and drove out all who sold and bought in the temple, and he overturned the tables of the money changers and the seats of those who sold pigeons. He said to them, "It is written, my house shall be called a house of prayer, but you make it a den of robbers." So, outside of the temple and also inside, there were people who were selling and changing money as their way to make a living, and Jesus became angry because he is firm that his house, the church, shall be a place of worship, shall be a holy place. But his people had other plans. So what he did, he cleansed the temple. He pushed their uh, they push their carts, they push what they were selling, and people became angry at him to the point that they don't want him anymore as a king. So, what is our uh, first teaching? First teaching is temple priest turned mission as business. So the people in the Israel at that very moment, the priest most specifically allowed those people to treat the holy temple as a place, as a mean to make a living. They were corrupt, and that's one of the reason why our Lord Jesus Christ became angry. Second, Jesus reminded them that their business is mission, that the holy church has a purpose, and that purpose is holy, that the only reason why the church was built is for the purpose of the mission, and that mission is to spread the word, to make the people faithful to God, and for them to be able to know what it is written in the Bible, for them to be able to know what is written in the word. Lastly, Jesus was rejected by temple priest and his own people. He was rejected because he cleansed the temple, he pushed their carts, what they were selling, he became angry at them, and that caused Jesus Christ to be rejected by the priest and the people that he loved. So how can we apply this in our lives? Avoid mission as business. If you're going to participate in a great commission, if we're going to disciple others, don't make it as a business. Do not let yourself to involve money, to involve making a living out of the mission of Christ, because the mission of Christ is only to win souls, to change lives, not to earn money, and to change your own life. You would not participate in the Great Commission, you would not disciple others, and then you would not, or you would make a living. That's not the way that our Lord Jesus Christ taught us how to worship. Second, aim for business as a mission. uh, how can I tell this? Um, you're going, or yeah, what we are saying is you're turning the mission as a business, but that is wrong. And instead of making the mission a business, make your business as the mission, on how you're going to be so serious about your business. Be serious on running and participating in the mission. Treat it as a more important endeavor as your business. Lastly, acknowledge that all of life is worship. So that would be for daily devotion. Sleep like Christ.